All right, you guys, I am totally unprepared. No mic, no nothing, but came across these Ducatis and we gotta get a clip of them. This is a husband and wife.
'21, 2020 V4R.
Okay, 2021 and 2020. What, if you don't mind me asking, man, what got you into riding?
I rode back after I got out of the military a little bit, and I always loved it.
Thank you for your service. We just did a giveaway for a veteran actually on the channel, so
Awesome.
Thank you so much.
And then ever since then, I had to sell my old bike, and then I ended up getting back into it because I always loved it, and so it's liberating. I just enjoy the ride.
Awesome. Then obviously I know you're gonna say your husband got you into it, but what got you into riding?
My husband, I was just a car person, always had race cars and stuff like that, and then just the need for speed, and it was just kind of natural. I didn't want to be a backpack forever, so it was like time to move up.
Awesome. Nice to meet you guys. Thank you so much for letting me check you out. Take it easy, guys. Ride safe. Well, what's up, everybody? Good morning. It is the day before Thanksgiving, and the wife and I are getting ready to catch a plane today. We're departing at 3 o'clock from Texas, heading back to Michigan to go pick up her new truck because, well, it's cheaper to get a truck in Michigan with a lease than it is in Texas. But that's not what I want to talk about. What I want to talk about is the fact that if I look disheveled, it's because I am. I just got done pushing the Hulk half a mile back to my driveway. Yep, just walking the bike down the middle of the road back to the house. This is a ton of fun. Where it sits right here. You might ask yourself,
why, Robbie?
Why were you pushing the Hulk? Well, I'll tell you, no help at all from the Australian Stiffy. The Hulk started freaking out this morning. As soon as I started it up, it kind of, sputtered, started a little funny. No biggie, it's a bike with 75,000 miles. It's done that before. So usually when that happens, I just shut it off, restart everything, and it's fine, good to go. But then once I started the bike, it revved up to like 5,000 RPMs, came way back down, and then just started sputtering. Well, let me show you. I'll try to start it right now for you. This is what it's doing. Listen for this noise in the throttle body here, if you can hear it. Almost sounds like the throttle body's not working correctly. That's what happens when you start it up, and then it runs like this. Now if I try to turn the throttle, nothing. Which leads me to a couple of ideas. One, the throttle body has completely shorted out or gone bad, or two, I'm having some type of ECM issue. I do have a Thunder Max tuner. It's always worked phenomenally, great, nothing ever bad with it. I don't know, if you know what it might be, leave me a comment below and let me know what you think it is. I think it has something to do with the throttle body, and we talked about this before. All this wiring right here that goes into the lovely throttle body, because it's, throttle by wire. I got to change this, and I have the part for it in my saddlebag. So I don't know, you guys. I don't know what's going on. If you think you know what's going on, leave me a comment below. Let me know. I've got a couple hours to try to figure this out before I have to hop on a flight back to Michigan and then get this thing fixed, because we're driving straight back with the new truck. And this is what I need to go to work. Yeah, I don't know. That's it. Current situation, Red Bull. here I am now with all of this mess. This was not a planned event. This was spur of the moment. Trying to figure out what is going on inside the throttle body with the Hulk. I'm just trying to figure all this stuff out on the fly. This literally happened, shit, I don't know. It's been 2 hours now since my ass was stranded on the side of the road. And then I had to walk my bike back to the house. Thank God I was only like half a mile away, but you know, trying to push a 880-pound motorcycle down back streets and shit is not simple. But it was a good workout. So that's where we're at. Hopefully I can get this situation fixed and figured out. Oh yeah, by the way, I did totally ruin my gasket for my throttle body here when I took that off. So I've got to replace that for sure. But the day before Thanksgiving, it's kind of just teaching me to be grateful and thankful for stuff, because I could just be flipping out right now and really aggravated and mad, and I've been there before. But I just said in a comment to somebody on the channel, life is too short for us to be extremely stressed out and pissed off at everything. I mean, shit happens. This is going to get fixed, and it could be a lot worse. So let's keep our fingers crossed that it doesn't get worse. I just want to say, don't judge me at the mess that is strewn about my garage. Is that even a word? Strewn? Strown? Strewn? Roads? Roads? Roads?
Roots? I can't say that word.
Roads.
Roads. Rowads. That's a total weird word, isn't it?
That is a freaky word, man. Very, very freaky. I'm stoned. So are you.
Yeah, this was all spur of the moment for me, and I don't have like a shop. I just have, a Stiffrides garage. That's it. I got a really cool neon sign up there that the wife got me for my birthday. That's pretty badass. So at least you know where we're at. But I hope I get this figured out, you guys. Thanks for watching. Have a great Thanksgiving. Spend time with loved ones and family and friends, and just be grateful for what you have, because I'm grateful for what I have. Sometimes I lose sight of that, but that's the message here. Be grateful. Love all you guys. Tons, man. Thank you so much for all the support. Everybody that's subscribing to the channel lately. It's amazing to watch this grow as it's growing. I really appreciate everybody. So thank you. All right. Check it out. I reinstalled some tape there. And it's a damn good thing that I have this, because when I get back from Michigan, I'm going to install it. Took everything apart. Got all up in that shit. That wire was causing everything not to communicate properly, so it's all good now. Thank you guys so much for watching. All about the ride, all about the adventure. Stay safe out there. Later. Well, just to let you guys know, I did get the Hulk fixed. Just got back from Michigan, getting our new truck, and the Hulk started right up.